Okay, happy Wednesday, everybody. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you for Trader Nerds for you coming in today. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. We got DB with us today. We got Don. We got Dwayne. We got Edwin. We got Hal. We got Jim. We got Matt Jolly Wally Roll Tide. We got Vicky with a Y. So howdy, everybody. And look at this. We got an update. So the E-mini's up about 0.75%, hovering over the 6,000. So we are at 6,013. And look at NASDAQ up 1.10%, up 233 points. VIX is at 18. AD is at 53. And AD has been going up. But look, we just hit that little area here that is a resistance line on our 50% line. Look at this. Boom, chickadoo, boom, chickadoo, boom, chickadoo, boom, chickadoo. It just keeps on coming down from that line, doesn't it? Hard to press above that. So that's very interesting. So let's see what our big green monster looks like. So our big green monster, this caught the low. It was support. Now, remember we said we'll give it a day or two to see if we're overbought or oversold. So we're oversold today. The point of control, look at that, is right on our 50% line. So we know that we would love to go back up to that area right there within the next 10 days. So we'll see if that indeed happens or if we just fall off a cliff. And this is just a knee jerk reaction to the that we were a little bit too much yesterday on that big move down. And so we'll see. Let's see what it looks like on NASDAQ. NASDAQ is at that 50% line, right? It caught the bottom here, our big green monster did. And we popped back up. So we are fairly priced here. And this now is a area of resistance. So we'll see if we bust through that or not. But it's really interesting how this thing, time and time again, just, tells us the support and resistance areas. It's amazing actually that we draw this on the first of the month, and then this thing continually. Um, I don't know, just it really is good at identifying support and resistance. Time and time again, this thing works, and we don't realize how it works. It's amazing. We have no idea, do we? Let's look at the linear regression. So we have an area of consolidation. We did pop below our lower part of the channel yesterday, and now we're popping back in. So this is just kind of indecisiveness before we figure out the next wave of direction. Notice that the whole channel is getting flatter and flatter, y'all. It really is. It's getting flatter and flatter. This used to be a 45-degree angle. It was popping up like this. And now this thing is just, we're flatlining a little bit. So we did have increased volume on the move down. Looks like volume is really low on this up move, doesn't it? Which means, I don't know, we'll see how it looks at the end of the day on this up move, but it very well could mean that this is a fake out and that we're going to continue going lower. We'll see how the volume looks on this, but
Nvidia also has earnings after the bell today.
it does, doesn't it? It does have earnings. Let's see how what Nvidia looks like. Nvidia.
While you're finding that, I was going to see, did you watch Alabama basketball last night?
No, I haven't even heard. I just heard that Georgia beat Florida. What did Alabama do?
Beat Mississippi State 111 to 73, I think is what it was.
Wow. How about that? We are officially a basketball school. Beth said we sure weren't in the football school this year. God, ain't that the truth? It just seems, I don't know. At least we can get excited about something. It's about time for March Madness too, isn't it? So you think we're going to get a number one spot?
Uh, I think probably. We have a pretty good resume. Not too many bad losses.
Yeah. So
Florida's loss last night wasn't a great one for them.
yeah, that was pretty bad losing to Georgia, right? 88 to 83. Beth said, ugh. Yeah, that's what we all think about Georgia. Ugh. So Nvidia does have earnings today, y'all. So it could be and look at this. They're in a downtrend. Nvidia's in a downtrend. A lot of people are thinking that, this may be a rough earnings for them, but it wouldn't surprise me if it caught us, if they continue to do good though. But this is amazing. Look at this. This is a crazy chart. I mean, it's just, I don't know. Look at this. All
I'd
right.
love to see it come back to earth so I can get long shares.
Yeah. Yeah, because I think long term it's a great hold, right? It's a great hold. So we'll see. We'll see how that works. So let's see how we're doing in our little account today. Now, remember, I told you that if we had a big up day, this would be look at this, y'all. We're having a great day. Look at 1126 up on the day. This is great. And we finally brought our profit and loss back up today. Uh, maybe, I mean, I know this is just negating what happened yesterday, but all of our covered calls are gone now. Look at this. We just got this put. And it's doing good today, up $109 at 75 and TQQ's at 80. Maybe this is a day that we let's see how our little thing is doing. Our naked put here on the 111. Yeah, we're at 12%. So why don't we why don't we sell a call on a good up day like today, you know, on TQQQ. Let's do that. So let's go trade. Our covered calls have been really good. I really like them. TQQQ, we've been going around 45 days or so. Let's see if we can go this 50 day, maybe. Our cost basis is right at 76. And we could do one of these things. Let's see, what do we normally do? Like a 30 delta or so? The 30%. This is a 37 delta or a 31%. We can get $360 out of that for an 87. Remember, our last one was 86, so this will be good. Um, try it at the mid price. I said try it at the mid. Oh, we got to do them in nickels, don't we? Okay, we'll do 360. Let's see how that does. Selling a call and TQQQ. Let's get it. Hey, we are in, baby. So now let's close position at a 50% profit. GTC. And it'll probably be a good day too. I told you we needed a good up day to do a hedge again. So we could use the money we got from the sale of that to buy hedge. All right, we got $360. We're going to get $180 profit on that thing. So why don't we do that and buy us a hedge? 40 points. Let's see. Let's do this at 60 points down. Oh, looks like our hedge is gone anyway, doesn't it? 40 points, 20% down. We got ES. Make sure I got order legs off here. Okay, yeah. So it is a day that we need a hedge. I mean, it wouldn't be horrible if we were down $2,600 on this, but why do that when you can be perfectly hedged? So let's see if we remember how to do our hedge. So we'll go into the E-minis. Let's go into the E-minis. And we like going to 120 days, but we never can find our appropriate strikes. Hold a second. Yes. Here we go. Trade. So we'll probably have to go around this 93 days or so. See if we can find 50-point wide here. Now they're 100-point wide. See that? We just don't like that. So let's go down a little bit. 93. Let's go to 79. And we go to the $3 strike. And they're 100 wide too. We don't like that. So let's go 63 days. We should be fine here. Let's go to $3. God, we're not, it's amazing. We just can't find our strikes, y'all. See, they're 100 points wide. I just don't like doing that. I would rather have 50 points wide. Let's go down one more, 63 to 58. Now we should be fine. Uh-oh, we don't have a lot of things here though, do we? No. That's one of those strange ones. 58. 50 days. Wow. We know we got 50 strikes here, 50 wide strikes here. So let's go to here. So we'll sell 3 of these. And we'll try to get the mid price. I said we'll try to get the mid price. And we're filled. So let's do this. Let's close this position at 20%, or not 20%, 20 cents. 0.20. And we'll go with GTC on those. And then we'll buy 5 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll try to do that mid price. Probably won't get filled there. But we'll nickel it up. There we go. So we got our 3.5 in now. That's good. So let's go back and see if that does give us a little hedge now. Should. So let's add, let's see, let's do this. There we go. Now we've got a hedge to the downside. Cost us about $250, but we brought in $360 from the sale of a covered call. So basically, today's lesson is using the proceeds of a covered call to buy a hedge. That's what we did. Yeah. Even though we're going to make $180 on that, that's almost paying for our hedge. And it's a great day. Remember, it's a great day to buy a hedge on a big up day, a great day to sell a call on a big up day. And with NASDAQ being up 1% on the day, over 1% on the day, it was a great day to do it. All right, guys, I love y'all to pieces. Thanks for joining us today. Y'all have a great one, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Roll Tide.